In today's video, I am going to teach you how to give admin access in Google Analytics. 4. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Analytics. Make sure you are signed in with an account that already has permission to manage access. Once you are in, you will land on the Analytics home area. This is the main dashboard where you can see an overview of activity and quickly jump into reports. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and select Admin. The Admin section is where Google Analytics 4 keeps all of the settings for your account, including user permissions. When you open Admin, take a moment to confirm you are working in the correct account. If you have access to more than one, it is important to assign permissions in the right place, because access changes apply to the account you are currently viewing. Now within Admin, click Account Access Management. This area controls who can access the Analytics account and what level of permissions they have. Account-level permissions can impact multiple properties under that account, so be careful and only grant admin access to someone you fully trust. In Account Access Management, click Add. This opens the menu for bringing a new person into the account. From there, select Add Users. You will see fields and permission options that let you define exactly what the new user can do. Click into the user field and enter the person's sign-in email address associated with their Google account. Double-check the spelling before you continue because an incorrect address can send access to the wrong person or fail to add them. Then move to the Permissions area and select the appropriate role so the user has admin access. Admin access allows the person to manage settings and other users, so only assign it when necessary. As you choose permissions, pay attention to what is highlighted or checked and confirm it reflects the access level you intend to grant. When everything looks correct, click Add to finalize. Google Analytics will then apply the new permissions and the user should be able to access the account according to the role you selected. And that is all there is to it.